Rosicrucian hidden practices for attaining psychic illumination. Rosicrucianism is a philosophical and mystical tradition that dates back to the early 17th century. It is believed to have originated in Germany, but its teachings and practices have spread to various parts of the world. At its core, Rosicrucianism is a spiritual path that seeks to unlock the mysteries of the universe and the human psyche. The Rosicrucian hidden practices for attaining psychic illumination are a set of techniques and teachings that aim to help individuals attain a higher level of consciousness and awareness. These practices are rooted in the principles of Rosicrucianism and are designed to help individuals develop their psychic abilities and access higher states of consciousness. Before we continue, please check out my description for free moon reading. Psychic illumination is a state of heightened awareness that allows individuals to access knowledge and wisdom beyond the physical realm. It is believed to be a key component of spiritual growth and enlightenment. Through the Rosicrucian hidden practices, individuals can learn to tap into their psychic abilities and cultivate a deeper understanding of themselves and the world around them. The importance of psychic illumination cannot be overstated. In today's fast-paced world, many individuals are disconnected from their spiritual selves and the universe. The Rosicrucian hidden practices offer a way to reconnect with one's higher self and access the knowledge and wisdom needed to live a fulfilling and meaningful life. In the following sections, we will explore the foundational principles of Rosicrucianism and the specific techniques and practices that can help individuals attain psychic illumination. We will also discuss the stages of psychic illumination and the benefits that come with this state of heightened awareness. The foundation of Rosicrucianism is based on a set of principles and teachings that form the basis of this spiritual tradition. These foundational teachings are integral to understanding the Rosicrucian hidden practices for attaining psychic illumination. The 7 liberal arts and sciences are a set of subjects that were considered essential for a well-rounded education in ancient Greece and Rome. These subjects include grammar, logic, rhetoric, arithmetic, geometry, music, and astronomy. In Rosicrucianism, the 7 liberal arts and sciences are viewed as a means of attaining knowledge and wisdom about the universe and the human psyche. The 3 parts of the human soul are the physical, the emotional, and the mental. These 3 parts are viewed as interdependent and interconnected, and each is considered essential to achieving a state of psychic illumination. The physical soul is the part of us that is connected to the physical world, while the emotional soul is the part that governs our emotions and desires. The mental soul is the part that governs our thoughts and intellect. The Rosicrucian principles of truth, balance, and harmony are fundamental to the Rosicrucian tradition. These principles are viewed as essential to achieving a state of psychic illumination. Truth is seen as the foundation of all knowledge, while balance is necessary to maintain harmony in all aspects of life. Harmony is viewed as the state of equilibrium that allows individuals to access higher states of consciousness and awareness. By understanding and applying the foundational teachings of Rosicrucianism, individuals can begin to unlock the secrets of the universe and the human psyche. The 7 liberal arts and sciences provide a framework for understanding the world around us, while the 3 parts of the human soul offer a roadmap for achieving a state of psychic illumination. The Rosicrucian principles of truth, balance, and harmony are integral to achieving this state of awareness and unlocking the mysteries of the universe. The Rosicrucian hidden practices for attaining psychic illumination include a variety of techniques and practices that can help individuals access higher states of consciousness and develop their psychic abilities. These practices are designed to help individuals connect with their higher selves, access knowledge and wisdom beyond the physical realm, and achieve a state of psychic illumination. One of the key techniques used in the Rosicrucian hidden practices is concentration and visualization. This involves focusing the mind on a particular object or idea and visualizing it in great detail. This technique is used to enhance mental clarity and focus, and to develop the ability to visualize and manifest one's desires. Meditation and breath work are also integral to the Rosicrucian hidden practices. These practices involve focusing the mind on the breath and quieting the mind, which can help individuals achieve a state of inner peace and tranquility. Through regular meditation and breath work, individuals can develop greater awareness and control over their thoughts and emotions, and can access higher states of consciousness. Dream work and lucid dreaming are also important techniques in the Rosicrucian tradition. Dream work involves analyzing and interpreting one's dreams in order to gain insight into the subconscious mind. Lucid dreaming involves becoming aware that one is dreaming while still in the dream state, which can allow individuals to explore and interact with their dreams in a more conscious and deliberate way. Finally, the Rosicrucian hidden practices include techniques for developing extrasensory perception, or the ability to perceive information beyond the 5 physical senses. This can include developing the ability to perceive energy fields, communicate with spiritual entities, or receive intuitive guidance. By incorporating these techniques and practices into their daily lives, individuals can begin to access higher states of consciousness and develop their psychic abilities. These practices can help individuals connect with their higher selves, access knowledge and wisdom beyond the physical realm, and achieve a state of psychic illumination. Psychic illumination is a term used in spirituality to describe a state of heightened awareness and spiritual consciousness. It refers to the ability to perceive and connect with higher dimensions of reality, beyond the limitations of the physical world. Psychic illumination is considered a key goal in many spiritual traditions, including Rosicrucianism. In Rosicrucianism, psychic illumination is seen as a state of consciousness that is attained through the cultivation of the 3 parts of the human soul: the physical, the emotional, and the mental. It is achieved through a combination of spiritual practices, including meditation, visualization, dream work, and extrasensory perception. The importance of psychic illumination in Rosicrucianism lies in its ability to unlock the secrets of the universe and the human psyche. It allows individuals to connect with their higher selves and access knowledge and wisdom beyond the physical realm. It also helps individuals to develop their psychic abilities and achieve a state of inner peace and tranquility. There are several stages of psychic illumination in Rosicrucianism, each building upon the previous one. The first stage involves the awakening of the spiritual consciousness and the development of mental clarity and focus. The second stage involves the cultivation of intuition and the ability to access higher states of consciousness through meditation and other spiritual practices. The third stage involves the development of extrasensory perception, including clairvoyance, clairaudience, and clairsentience. By working towards psychic illumination, individuals can achieve a state of spiritual enlightenment and unlock the mysteries of the universe and the human psyche. It allows individuals to connect with their true purpose and achieve a greater understanding of their place in the world. In conclusion, the study of Rosicrucianism and its hidden practices for attaining psychic illumination offers a fascinating insight into the human psyche and the mysteries of the universe. Through the cultivation of the 3 parts of the human soul and the use of various spiritual practices, individuals can unlock their full potential and achieve a state of heightened awareness and spiritual consciousness. The importance of psychic illumination in Rosicrucianism lies in its ability to connect individuals with their higher selves, access knowledge and wisdom beyond the physical realm, and achieve a state of inner peace and tranquility. By incorporating these practices into their daily lives, individuals can embark on a journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth, unlocking the secrets of the universe and the human psyche along the way. Thank you for watching Starseed TV. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you with love and gratitude. See you in my next video.